Hey y'all, I'm here in Florence, Mississippi at Mountain Creek Cemetery, an old church from it's from the 1840s, I believe, 1830s, something like that. I couldn't exactly find a date on it, but it is before the mid 1800s. And we're gonna walk around a bit. Let's see. This is James. Say hi, James. My brother here. Let's walk around a bit. A lot of old graves from the 1800s here. 1868. Let me see. 1877. There's a lot of old ones in here, y'all. And I found this old cemetery. Just driving on an old country road, y'all. Found another one for y'all. It's beautiful. And you see the church right there, and the Mountain Creek Cemetery entrance and the church. All goes back to the mid 1800s. These are some of the first settlers in Florence, Mississippi. 1897, we got a 1886. This woman was born in 1844. A lot of folks in here were born in the early 1800s, y'all. It's very old. There's an old one. Born in 1837 and passed away in 1876. That's a real old one.
This one was only 2.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, this is a child right here, y'all. It's only 2 years old, see?
I got it.
Oh, there's an old one. 1825. That's a real old one. These are some of the first settlers in Florence, Mississippi, y'all, that came in the early 1800s.
Huh.
Hope y'all enjoying this.
Older ones.
Yeah, older ones over here. These are really old. I can't even read the date on. I can't even read the date on them, y'all. You know, the real old ones. Let me see. 1835 right here.
At the Old Glory.
Yep. 1843. 1881. The ones you can't read, y'all, are some of the oldest ones in here. Those are the hardest ones to read. I'm trying to see. We're trying to film the oldest ones for y'all while I'm in here. It is beautiful, y'all. It's this is another old cemetery from the mid 1800s. And it's beautiful out here. See, look, a lot of farmland out here, y'all. It's in the country. Beautiful. $1849 over here. Let's see. Watch your step, y'all. $1896. What's this one?
1850.
Yeah. And this one's a little different because we usually don't film an old church. I usually don't film an old church with the cemetery, but this one's got both. So I had to film it for y'all. This is a beautiful old church and cemetery. Let's see. These are a little newer. Oh. That's pretty. I can't read that one.
Here's a Steen.
Steen.
Maybe one of the original descendants of Steen.
Yep, Steen. Because Florence, a little history lesson for y'all. Florence, Mississippi used to be called Steens Creek, Mississippi, and that's one of the descendants right there. Steens Creek. And this town was founded in 1820, but later when it was called Steens Creek because of the Steen family that settled here, and then later on became Florence, Mississippi. Little history lesson for y'all. We got an 1830 right here.
And a bulldog.
1823. Look at that one.
The Mexican War.
They were in the Mexican War. Wow, that's old, really old.
Huh. You get a picture of.
I'll take some pictures after I do the video. A little bit of farmland around here for. See, it's real chill out here, y'all. It's beautiful out here. And it's early October now. It's time, I'm getting in that cemetery mood, and I told y'all I had a few new ones for y'all. Here's another. Get like a 3D, or not 3D, 360 view. Here's the old. Here's the old church, right there. I'm not sure exactly what year this one goes back to, but I know it's like before 1850. It's really old. Let's see, walk around a little bit here. Alright, y'all. Try to see if there's any really more old ones.
No, there ain't no more.
Huh?
There ain't no more.
I'm just looking around for a minute. Hold on. There you go. I can't. That's so old, y'all. I can't even read this one. $1886. This one's really old, y'all. Check this one out. We got an 1837 gravestone right here, but I can't read the name. It's really old. That's almost 200-year-old grave right there.
It's a Masonic. These fell over.
Yes.
And that one.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, well, I'm going to go ahead and end the video, but I hope you enjoyed the old church. This is Mount Creek Cemetery and Mount Creek Church together. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see y'all next time. God bless y'all.